Hi, I'm Roger.Woodruff with Guarantee here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Thanks for watching the video. So we're in here in this beautiful 2014 45 LP Allegro Bus, gorgeous coach. Oh, it is built to be just absolutely beautiful. It is all that you could ask for an Allegro bus. The wood craftsmanship is outstanding. It's got the fireplace, it's got the pop-up or the TV mounted straight across from the L sofa. It's got the floating Euro recliner, free floating, you can move it wherever you want. Table and chairs, big fridge, ice maker, induction cooking. There's no way I can tell you all about this coach. The beautiful walk-in closet in the back of this motorhome. In the massive bathroom. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you everything about this coach because it is just something you have to see. It's got the big L sofa. The captain's chairs are luxuriously soft. They spin around, become part of your living room. The detail, the attention to detail is something that you have to touch, feel, and smell in this coach. It is gorgeous. I love Allegro. Bob Tiffin did a great job, and this is one of his just absolutely beautiful coaches that he got to be really well known for. I just don't even really know where to begin. It's a bath and a half. It's 45. It's got the big ISL Cummins motor, the big transmission. The driving is absolutely easy in this coach. It's like sitting in an easy chair at home and watching a big screen TV, playing a video game, driving down the road. Gosh, come on by and take a look at this one. You're going to absolutely love it. It can't last long. Coaches like this are just way too beautiful. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy looking at this one as much as I enjoy telling you about it. I'm Roger with Guarantee, and I look forward to showing you this coach, and we're going to have a lot of fun.